Hey everybody, this is T.224 NYC Stream Kings TV. This one is hot off the presses. The guys over at Supreme Builds recently they released a new build. This one came out yesterday. It's called the Storm Build. It's very functional. It's updated with all of the latest add-ons. Shout out to those guys down at the Supreme Builds team. I'll show you guys how to install this one really quickly, and then we'll do a quick brief overview on what the build entails, and I'll show you guys how it works. So we're going to start on a fresh install of Kodi. I'm on version 17.3. This build is, you can actually use this build with any version of Kodiv17 Krypton, version 17.0 through 17.6. So we'll jump into this real quick. Go ahead and hit the cogwheel. Jump in the file manager. Then we're going to add source. Click where it says none. Type in http :// repo .supreme builds.com. Then go ahead and hit OK. And we're going to give it a name. We'll call it Supreme. And then go ahead and hit OK again. And then click OK down here at the bottom. Once you get that all in, go ahead and hit the back button. Back again. Click add-ons. And then we'll click this little drop box symbol in the top left. Click install from zip. We named it Supreme, and then you're going to select the repository .supreme builds. Once you click on that, you get a little pop-up in the top right saying that the add-on has been installed. Go ahead and click install from repository, select the Supreme Builds repository, click program add-ons, and then select the Supreme Builds wizard. Down at the bottom right, select install. You'll get this pop-up. Go ahead and select remind me later. You can pretty much save any of your content. I'm going to save my track in Reel to Brid. Go ahead and click OK. Select build menu. These are the current builds available on the Supreme Build Wizard, and we're going to scroll down to the last option, which is the Storm Build version 1.0. Since I have a few things, a couple of add-ons inside of my Kodi, I'm going to select the option to fresh install. If you have a brand new install of Kodi, go ahead and select standard install. For me, I just go ahead and click on fresh, just in case, just to make sure everything is good to go. Do you wish to restore? I'm going to go ahead and say continue. This will go ahead and wipe out my Kodi and then start the download for the build that you selected. In this case, that is the Storm build. Now, I've downloaded this build a couple of times, so I think I may have to select a different link. Let me try to install it one more time. And I got invalid zip URL. I'm going to select the second server. Do a fresh install. Click continue. And it'll start to download. build is pretty lightweight. Okay, the download process is complete. Now we're going to unzip the file. Yeah, I love these guys over at the Supreme Builds team. They always bring the heat. One of my favorite builds was their titanium build. Even the Quest Media build was really good, and now they dropped this one. Overall, I love the functionality, and it's a really good build to look at. I like these guys the most because they really do keep their builds updated. They do actually have a Facebook group. Feel free to find them or search Supreme Builds in Facebook, and you should actually land on the page. You can get all support. A lot of good people in that group. Everybody's in there willing to help each other. I've been in that group for quite some time. It's a real good place to get all of your questions answered. The moderators who are in there are very helpful, and even a lot of the members are very helpful as well. So a good group of knowledgeable people in that community. So we're just about at the halfway point. So this one looks to be just under 350 megs unzipped. You know, like I said, this one is really lightweight. I haven't run it on a Fire Stick device personally, but I do know a few people who have installed it on their lower spec Fire Stick devices, and it runs really well. They don't really have too many add-ons included in this one, but the add-ons that they do include, you know, everything is working and it's working really well. I also like the integration of a lot of the paid IPTV services also, so that really helps. So you don't have to customize. If you're an IPTV service user, you don't have to customize the builds that much. If you're wanting to implement your IPTV service or provider into the build that you're using. So they did include a lot of the most popular ones, with the exception of Vader streams, in this build. Alright, so it looks like we're done. You're going to go ahead and select the option to force close your Kodi once this pops up. Then go ahead and relaunch your Kodi. Let's see if I can get this to... There we go. Let me resize this. Excuse me, guys. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm currently using 17.3. 17.6 is available. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss this. I think I clicked on something by accident there. Let me go ahead and back out. So I'm going to let it run through any of the updates that are available. Just give it a few more seconds just to see if anything starts to update. Okay, so we can jump off and get started. They have a small widget box here, which includes some pretty good titles, some of the most popular stuff. So we'll start off in the movie section. If you click on movies, I believe this is pulling from Placenta, I believe. Let me see. I'm just going to restart the build. Oops. I don't think it built the build menu. Okay, so I'm going to dismiss that message. So we have movies, TV shows, live TV. This is free live TV. We have IPTV, like I said, included. They have Gears, Mayfair Guide, Streams R Us, Reloaded TV, Limitless versions 1 and 2. We have a sports section. So the Storm application, we have the add-on browser, video add-ons, and program add-ons. Let's take a quick look and see what video add-ons are included in this one. So we have some adult content, Cerebro, Showbox, Strictly HD, TV Heaven. We got Neptune Rising, Genesis Reborn. We got the Mayfair Guide, Cryptic, the Falcon Project, Maverick TV, Gears TV, Streams R Us, Reloaded TV. Those are the IPTV services. Let's see what else we have. We got a Placenta, Pyramid, Sports Devil. So definitely a lot of good stuff for the video add-ons. Main menu includes maintenance. You can access the Supreme Builds Wizard, the APK installer, system info. This one does include a speed test. We have an event log. We have a power menu, the kids section. We do have a music section as well. And then we're back over to the movie section. So I'm going to try and click on movies now and see what happens. Looks like nothing. Okay, so it looks like there's no menu when you click on movies, but down below you have you can search movie genres, most popular by year, box office hits, UK Turks, Neptune Rising, Maverick, Elysium, Skynet, and a screener section. and it looks like the sub menu is where it's at, and it'll search you know, the various add-ons that are included in the build. Same with TV shows. Let's click on this TV shows, Neptune Rising. You can search by network. Very similar to a lot of the other scrapers, Neptune Rising is. I'll just pick a random episode here. Now, I installed this yesterday and actually linked my Real to Brid and Premiumize account to this, and it really did run amazing. I'm a Vader Streams TV subscriber, so I also implemented the Vaders in the menu also. I'm saying it was really easy. I'll be doing a video soon of the titanium build, how to customize it, and basically how to add some of the newest add-ons. Okay, so this is asking me to pair, to cancel. Another pairing request, another. It seems like there may be an issue with Neptune Rising. That's not a build issue, that's an add-on issue. So this is actually coming from Placenta, one of the newer scrapers. It's just a fork of the original Exodus Covenant. I'm gonna let it get to 75% and just stop it. If you've been using Kodi for quite some time, you know how these scrapers work already. So that played with no issues. But overall, a really solid build from the guys over at Supreme Builds. And you know, like I said before, if you guys want some more information about them or are currently using their builds, feel free to join their Facebook group online. If this video helped you and you enjoyed it, and you were able to install the build and it's working fine for you, just go ahead and smack the thumbs up for the video, and also go ahead and subscribe for all the latest greatest in the Kodi streaming community. This is TI224 NYC Stream Kings TV. Hope you guys have a good night. See you later.